Are we ready for the royal raita? Look at him. What light? Do you want to be a part of the? I'm not going to edit anything.
Oh my god, is that Ranbir Kapoor?
Oh my god! Oh my god! London में रॉक म्यूजिक
I don't think it's a dream.
Ashu, this is all for you. Look at him. Thank you. Yeah. Yay! I love such corners, you know. बहुत pretty है ना? Oh dude, no elevator. You know it's gonna be nice. So woke up at 5:30. Somehow managed to reach the airport at 7. The flight was half an hour late. I think it is 11:30, 12, and I have a room. And please don't judge me, but मैं बॉम्बे से ये पहन के आई थी because apparently it's going to be 6 degrees at night, which is like really cold for me. And now let me give you guys a room tour. You know, when you live in a city like Mumbai, it's so crowded, it's so fast paced. I absolutely love my city, but lately the pollution levels have risen, the air quality is so bad. And cut to you come to a place like Jaisalmer, it is so beautiful. I mean, I'm shooting without my mic, you know, that's how quiet it is. I don't even need it, and I'm so sure that I'm audible. I mean, it's just beautiful and it's so calming, and the sun, it's so crisp, like it's just a nice feeling. Also, we are here to get our friend married, so what better feeling than that. So you guys enjoy the view till I come see you guys later. Pretty. Are we excited or are we? Oh my god. Excited. Is that an actual camera? Yeah. So fucking take a picture, bitch. So I am back. We had to go for lunch and meet everyone. Honestly, it was so fulfilling. It was so nice. We met Garima, Devaj, all of their friends, family. And you know, I'm a little bit introvertish. So मुझे थोड़ी सी शर्म आती है, you know, a vlog लेना. And you know, it's a wedding lunch and everyone's meeting, having fun. तो मैंने वो part नहीं लिया. But now we have to go to the sand dunes. So currently I am in Taj Gobardhan, Jaisalmer. And वहाँ से sand dunes are, I think, it'll take 1 hour to reach. And the theme was desert night, and I keep calling it dessert night because I think I'm just perpetually hungry. So I just went for this makeup look. Like you guys can see, I did like Arabic eyes. I kept the base very light, and let me show you guys the full look in like 5 seconds. And सबसे important चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गई. If you hear Bollywood songs in the background, that is my brother. He is also in the room. So if you hear Deva songs or anything, it's my brother Sikandar. So tell him if he's disturbing all of us during the vlog. I completely forgot that I also bought my stand, so let me just get ready now. So this is what I'm wearing. I honestly love it. Like, it's fully covered, so I won't feel cold. It's like 5 degrees, and I'm just going to accessorize this and look really cool. Also, this has a slit. The dress has a slit, and I'm going to show you guys in the mirror, but I honestly really like the look. I think it's Giving. I'm gonna do something really light and nude to the lips. I don't like overlining my lips, so I just contour them and just fill them. I love this color. You know, there's no light. It's also almost 6 o'clock and I have to leave. So I'm just gonna vlog whatever I can in this light. And honestly, it looks nice. So I have a little bit of nude and I'll just mix it with a little bit of pink. Now I'm going to show you guys the star product. The star of the whole... See, I wore this outfit so that I could, wear some huge, humongous earrings, like a statement piece. And honestly, these ones are just out of the world. I don't know how to wear them. So sometimes... कैसे करते हैं यार? Such times, you miss mummy. She just comes and she does it. Okay. I hope this works क्योंकि मैंने अंदाजे से ये earrings लिए थे and the outfit went for like steam press, so I really did not get the chance to see it. So this is the final look. Let's see if I can manage to get some pictures, more videos, but honestly I love it. It's going to be 5 degrees at night or desert hair, so I don't want to shiver. Also, I've been really unwell. 10 दिनों से I had to shoot for a podcast with Khushi Kapoor and Junaid Khan for Love Yapa, and I was coughing. I was so unwell. They were so sweet about it, but if you guys watch the podcast, you can still hear me coughing because I couldn't edit that bit out. So मुझे बिल्कुल भी पंगे नहीं लेने with my health, and I just want to be covered and just enjoy the night. Good morning. Today is day 2 of the Royal Raita. That is the hashtag for Garima and Devar. Last night was so hectic. It was insane. It was beautiful. But itna thak gaye. It was almost 6 degrees at night. Super cold. Got back to the hotel at 2:30. Crashed. Now it is almost 8 o'clock. I'm going for breakfast. I need my coffee. After that, we're going to check out from Taj and go to a really special place and stay there for 2 days. It's a palace and a lot of you all know about it. So come with me and let me tell you all where we are going. It's like सुबह shorts and रात को shorts and now everyone's having jeera pani. सिक्की on कर दे चल. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing my stockings, essentials, sweatshirt. I think it's cool, it's comfortable. I have that black coat which I'm going to wear, and obviously these chashmas. I think jab soye nahi ho, when you're not done with your hair and makeup, this really helps. What if you ever become a YouTuber?
A YouTuber?
Yeah.
Be nice.
Say hi, morning. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, everyone.
Coffee pee lo.
Pineapple.
Coffee पी लो. तू फटाफट क्यों नहीं लाया?
नहीं जेब में है.
I have a little time, so fun facts. This is only the 3rd wedding that I'm attending. First 2 cousins ki thi. So this is like the full-fledged proper wedding. I want to make so many reels. And yahan se we have to go to another location, stay there for 2 nights. Today is the Varmala, it's the Shadi, raat ko are the Feras. Tomorrow is a lunch and Sangeet, and then raat ko there is cocktail. So it's going to be so hectic. But ठीक है यार, I think it's fun. Also, I have just realized I'm like a class monitor. अगर ग्रुप में आया है कि 10 o'clock हमें होटल से निकलना है, तो literally 10 o'clock I am the only one who is ready and everyone's making fun of me कि सब नाइट सूट में अब आ रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट खाने और मैं फुल फ्लेजेड रेडी होके बैठी हूँ to go to the next location. I just need to learn to have fun in life. I need to chill. What's this, Sikandar? say bye to Taj. It was such a nice day. One day was cute, and you guys just look at this. If anyone wants to stay at Jaisalmer and get the royal bite, so Taj it is. You guys, Suryagarh is like a beauty. It is so beautiful, it is so majestic. I mean, every corner is picture perfect, every corner is aesthetic. I tried to vlog as much as I could, और फिर मैं भूल ही गई कि मुझे vlog भी करना था. So hats off to all the YouTubers and people जो vlog करते हैं, क्योंकि इतना मुश्किल है और आपको हर चीज़ vlog करनी होती है. So finally I got ready for the wedding. The theme of the wedding was beige and royal look. So this is what I'm wearing. I'll show you the whole look. And yeah, I think I feel happy. Finally, Garima is getting married. It's almost 4 o'clock. There is Bharat, there is Varmala, and there are Feras at night. So let me try and vlog everything for you guys so that you can get a glimpse into the Royal Raita. So this is the hamper we have, and I'm going to show you guys a cute little thing. This is Garima and Devajan. Can't wait to celebrate with you guys, and we can't wait to celebrate them. And you have to see this. This is Hangover Hydrate Repeat, because you danced for Gigi and drank for DJ. So this has bandages, pandy, acidity tablets. I think this is really cute. So pretty.
Stay there. When I tell you.
दिल हारी
ठूस के बैठा होता थैंक यू तू खा
I'm not kidding, it's very nice.
नहीं अरे तुम खा रहा है यार तू
Try this. This one. No, this one is special. This is spicy. Yeah, it's very. No, it's not spicy.
Oh God, if I could.
पंडित के बाजू में बैठ जाएगी.
हाँ यार मुझे बैठने में सुन नहीं रहा कुछ.
The best part is this heater. Oh God. Yeah.
सर ये मेरे लिए बहुत टमाटर और दे दें क्या
नहीं ये ले
टेबल नंबर बाहर आप देखिए तो प्रिपेयर किया है कि आदमी बैठा
One thing I've realized is vlogging is not easy. Welcome to day 3 of the Royal Raita. You guys, last night was such a vibe. Like, it was one of the best nights I've had in the longest times. There was Bismil performing और मुझे idea ही नहीं था Bismil कौन है, but he was so good. The vibe was amazing. Today is cocktail and it's a celebratory lunch for which I am dressed up in one of my favorite outfits. Let me show you guys the entire look. आई थिंक अभी तक तो हो गया मेरा व्लॉग बिकॉज आई हैव नो आइडिया मैंने क्या व्लॉग किया क्या नहीं किया. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स क्योंकि आई थिंक दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइक गोइंग टू वेडिंग्स. लाइक यू आर सो लॉस्ट एंड यू आर सो इन द मोमेंट दैट यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर व्लॉगिंग. और बस या फन नाइट फन इवनिंग. ये
अरे आराम से भाई.
पिक्चर ले ऊपर गाइस.
हाँ.
टाइम टू चेक आउट. आई डोंट नो मैंने क्या व्लॉग किया क्या नहीं व्लॉग किया. दोज आर आवर लगेजेस. वो देखो दैट्स इट्स सो बिटर स्वीट बिकॉज इतना मज़ा आया एंड आई एम यूजुअली नॉट अ वेडिंग पर्सन बट इतने सारे नए फ्रेंड्स बने. मेट सो मेनी पीपल. सो मच फन बट आई एम गोना मिस दिस प्लेस. आई थिंक अगर आप कोई मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी से आते हो लाइक बॉम्बे दिल्ली बैंगलोर या कहीं से भी एंड यू जस्ट सी दिस पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड यू एक्सप्लोर इट. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स सो क्वाइट. एंड हाँ आई होप आई कम बैक टू जैसलमेर. आई थिंक मैं 2008 में अपनी स्कूल ट्रिप में आई थी एंड आई एम हियर नाउ. इट्स 2025 बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट स्टार्ट टू द ईयर. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and let me try. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and that is Sikandar. So yeah.